This song features 2 chord progressions. For the verses, we'll start on a D major, D, F sharp, A. We'll do that for a measure and a half, and then use our little C sharp here as a walk down to a B minor chord, B, D, F sharp. And then land on a G, G, B, D before we restart. In one hand, starting on D major, it could look and sound like this. 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, C sharp, B minor, G, 2, 3, 4. In 2 hands, that verse pattern could look and sound like this. 2, 3, 4, 1. The chorus pattern is different by just one chord. We'll start in a D major again, D, F sharp, A. And then we'll do an A with the C sharp root, so we'll spell that C sharp, E, A. B minor, B, D, F sharp. G major, G, B, D. So just that second chord is different. They each get one measure. In one hand, starting on D major, could sound like this. 2, 3, 4. In one hand, starting on D major, could look and sound like this. 2, 3, 4. A with the C sharp, B minor, G. Repeat. In 2 hands, starting on the D major chord, the chorus pattern could look and sound like this. 1 measure per chord. 2, 3, 4. C sharp.